There's no point in spending time, effort, and money building what you thought was the perfect layout, only to end up modifying it or starting all over again. That is very different from improving it, because there's nothing wrong with making positive changes and expanding your railroad as and when your skills develop. Most model railroaders do that. Their railroad progresses as they progress. The trouble is, if you haven't done track planning before, how do you know your brilliant ideas will work? Track planning is an acquired skill, and you'll improve with experience, learning from your own mistakes and the mistakes of others. That is the key. Why make the same critical mistakes others have already made? If you do make mistakes, try to make them original, rather than just repeating the same errors many others have made.